Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by updating the controller firmware and choosing your connection method, Bluetooth or the Xbox wireless adapter. Once done, plug the adapter into a USB 3.0 port or enable PC Bluetooth from settings. Make sure American Truck Simulator is closed so Steam/Windows can register the device without conflicts. Press and hold the Xbox button to power the controller. Then press the pair button on the controller and the adapter, or open Bluetooth Add Device on Windows. This starts the pairing handshake you need. Once paired, you configure Steam input or Windows Gamepad support. Open Steam, go to Settings Controller General Controller Settings, and check Xbox Configuration Support. Then launch American Truck Simulator, go to Options Controls Controller, and select the Xbox device. Map steering to the left stick, throttle to RT, brake to LT, and set sensitivity and dead zone. Make sure to save an input profile that ties Steam's mappings to ATS, so axes and buttons behave predictably in cabin. You finish by calibrating and validating controls. In Windows, open Devices and Printers, select the Xbox controller, and run calibration to center axes. Back in ATS, test steering, gear, and cruise controls in a quick drive and adjust sensitivity. If you see drift or jitter, increase the dead zone slightly to around 0.05 to 0.12. If pairing fails or disconnects, repair the controller or plug it in via USB. Wired eliminates wireless issues and is the only sure fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.